Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Hobbydude 007 channel and Model Cars and Coffee with Hobbydude. As you can tell, I've been a little bit under the weather. I've got a little something in my sinuses and in my throat. It got started to creep into my upper chest, but we kind of headed that off with the right meds, and I am on the mend. Everything's looking good. I want to share with you today, as we go into the holiday season, something a little different, but kind of cool, and hopefully it'll challenge you to do something similar. Stick around.
Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com.
Several years ago, Amanda picked up this little tin truck at either Hobby Lobby, Michael's, somewhere like that. But anyway, this sits on the hearth of our fireplace in the den every year, and we personalized it a little bit. And so it's kind of hard to see here, but the lights do work, as do the headlights. In fact, these batteries that are in it have been in it since we bought the thing, and they haven't gone out yet. But anyway, kind of cool. And of course, this farm, the family farm's been here since 1954, so we kind of dressed it up, personalized it. But the reason I mentioned this and shared this with you is because a couple of years ago, about 2 years ago, our buddy Kim Sodegaard with Kim's Custom Garage in Denmark, also a great YouTube channel. If you have not checked out Kim's channel, head over and check it out. It is awesome. Kim's Custom Garage. And he put a challenge out to content creators to do a Christmas-themed vehicle. Well, the one I did, Amanda liked so much that it sits on the mantle in the den as well. And I want to share that one with you today. To take on Kim's challenge, I went through my stash and ran across this 63 Chevy 2 station wagon. A station wagon is actually what I had in mind because growing up in the 60s, we had a Mercury station wagon that was light blue, and I recall going to the Christmas tree place and picking up Christmas tree, strapping it to the roof, and bringing it home. So I wanted to do something like that, very similar. So this was just right for that. So I broke it out, and this is what I came up with. I think it turned out really, really great. This sits on the mantle in the den, in addition to the truck on the hearth. This was a really, really fun build. Amanda liked it, and you'll notice the wreaths on the front and rear of the car. Those are from Hobby Lobby, and those are just peel and stick on little things. The Christmas tree came from Hobby Lobby. A piece of twine from Amanda and a piece of burlap from her crafting stuff went on the stump of the tree back there. You'll also notice on the stance of the car, it's a little weighted down in the rear from all those presents piled in the back. And that was a package of just small little gifts that were tied up with bows from Hobby Lobby as well in a package. But the reverse arbor rake, but I really like the white top. I did not use bare metal foil on this one. I used a Sharpie. I wanted to tone it down and make it just an average, not too flashy, but just a family station wagon, something that reminded me of my childhood. But this sits on the mantle there where the truck sits on the hearth, and Amanda liked it, so hey, there you go. And as long as Mama likes it, everybody's happy. But again, I think it turned out really well. The interior is just a Model Car World interior Chevy color. And it was a Tamiya color that I used, just a light metallic blue, kind of an ice blue. I do not remember the number right off the top of my head. The underside is pretty sparse. I did not detail it or anything. I did put the engine in it and paint it Chevy engine orange, but it was just going to sit on the mantelpiece anyway, and I like it. So, if you don't have one in your stash or in your Christmas stuff sitting around, Hey, create something, make it fun. I have thought about one or two other ones for the holidays, but hey, I've got too much on my plate now. But if you don't have one, think about something simple like this. This is just straight out of the box, and it's just strictly for the shelf, but it fits the purpose. Speaking of going into the holiday season, hope everybody is well, got great plans, got your Christmas list for Santa made up. And that's it for this one, guys. Hope y'all have an awesome weekend. I'll probably have another video or so up before Thanksgiving. But God bless. Have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next video.